Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy FX. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can successfully trade crypto in 2024 using the Exness web terminal. Okay, we all know that the season we are currently in is known as the bull run season, and this is a season where everyone is expected to make reasonable amount of money from this crypto space. So how will you be able to do that while trading with Exness web terminal? So that is what I'm just going to show you in this video. So if you're new to this channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to it. Don't forget to create your account with us if you're yet to do that. The link to the account creation is in the description of this video. Also, make sure you join our Telegram channel where we share daily updates and free signals on a day-to-day basis. So kindly make sure you do that. And also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video to others who are also in this game so that we can all learn and grow together. All right. So without wasting much of our time, I'm just going to open up my chat and show you how you can successfully do that in this. So guys, to begin your crypto trading in 2024 on Exness web terminal, the first thing you just need to do is to access your account. Okay, that's it, by signing up with your email and your registered password. So obviously it's going to take you to this page, and like I said, we are going to be using the demo account for this. And all you just need to do is to come to this button. When you click on it, you're going to see Exness web terminal. So once you do that, you're going to come to this particular page, and this is where you can actually trade. So I've already made a video on introduction to Exness web terminal. That's the first one, and I've also made another video on how you can trade generally, how you can set up this page so that you can have your favorite tool, just like the one I have on my screen here. You can have it and you can move it to any part of the screen to stay. Okay, and also when you look at this particular point, you're just going to see favorite pair. So I've set all of this thing in those videos. So kindly make sure you do that. Make sure you watch that video so that you can get acquainted with all of these interfaces. Okay, so having said that, let's just dive into what we have for the day, which is how to trade crypto on the Exness web terminal. So the first thing you need to do when you want to trade any crypto, we already know that the mother of all cryptocurrencies right now is BTC. So the first pair you will like to take note of in trading any crypto pair is BTC. BTC is like a reference coin that other coins actually refer to, just like the value of many currencies are always paired with US dollar, because when you want to check the quality of your currency in your country, you have to compare it with the value. We have to compare its value with the US dollar. So to say whether it's falling against the dollar or rising against the dollar. So that is what actually determines the value of many currencies. So in a similar way, the BTC or the Bitcoin is the mother of all cryptocurrencies. So you want to start your analysis, even though you are not willing to trade BTC, you always want to trade you only want to start your analysis by checking what the BTC is doing overall. So I'm just going to open my BTC chart here. So just going to take a few seconds to open. Of course, it's open. So this is my BTC chart. So what I just need to do now is to go to the daily time frame, because that is where we can check for the overall trend of the market. So these are various time frame. Like I said, I've already made a video and you can set those things all, but just to add up a few things, you can choose the 5 minutes, 15 minutes. What I'm just doing is I'm adding it to my favorites. Like these are just going to be the favorite times I will be using for my analysis so far. I need the 1 hour because the daily as a trader. So that is just all. The daily time frame is just for me to get my overall bias in the market. So I'm currently on the 1 minute, which is not reasonable for me to determine the trend of the market. So I have to skip or come down to the daily time frame to see. So you right click to reset the chart so that you can have a proper view of how it looks like. So currently, this is what you see. So the second thing you want to do after you must have open this chart is what you have to study the market structure. There is a video on basis of market structure, complex market structure, as well as how you can actually apply market structure to make trading decisions. So kindly make sure you do that. Okay, and don't forget to also give us a thumbs up as you're watching this video. All right, so when you look at this particular
chart we have before us here, you can see that BTC have been trading towards the upward direction. You can see it's creating series of, from this point, there is a low here. You have a higher, there is a higher low here. We have a higher high, a higher low. Yes, of course, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. So what are you expecting that this market is going to do next? This is what your market structure is going to teach you. I'm expecting that this market is going to create a new higher high and retrace back and continue to move to the upward direction. So if you are anticipating to trade BTC, so now you've seen that the trend of this market is what? Bullish. Okay, so BTC is bullish. So you want to come down to the 4 hour time frame as well to check what the 4 hour is doing, because you're not trying to hold it for a long time. You're just trying to make decision. Whether you're a swing trader, it doesn't matter. You can actually follow this same step. It's going to work out for you. So when you check the 4 hour, what you notice is within this piece, the 4 hour is also being bullish, which is in alignment with the daily time frame. As you can see, the market was creating series of higher highs and higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. And then when you get to this particular point, there is something they call shift in market structure or change of character. It happened around this region, and you see the market creating substructure to the downward direction. And what happened when the market gets to this particular point? It created this low here. It created this low here, and what happened? It gave us a failed lower high on the H4 on the 4 hour time frame. And what happened that the most recent lower high was broken to the upward direction. So around this region, there is a shift or a change of character that happens around here. So what I'm saying on the 4 hour now is that the market is going to do something like this. Going to do something like this, probably fill up these imbalances, react to this support level, and what happened? The market should go up from here and, of course, align with the overall trend of the daily time frame. So this is what I am saying on the 4 hour. So I want to go to my entry time frame to look for entry. Okay. So you reset the chart by just clicking by right click, you see the option, and then you click on reset. So this is the 15-minute time frame. This is a 15-minute time frame, and of course the market is currently on that POI. So because the market is on your POI, is not a reason for you to just open your chart and start taking a sell. You have to look for a conservative place to make your entry from. So if there is chances of this market coming down, of course you want to wait for this level, and then this particular level here, and then all of this will be considered as liquidity. But in case the market is not going to come down again, you have to be very flexible on your analysis by also looking for to take an entry from a zone like this. These are all good areas of support and resistance level that you can actually look up to. Okay. So, and of course, I will be anticipating to either make an entry here, but it's important to wait for this particular thing to break, and then it will come to this particular point, and you take your entry all the way to the upward side, targeting this particular level as a TP, here as a TP, and then yeah. So this is target this point as your TP, and if you want to go for long, especially the swing traders, you can always target a higher risk to reward ratio because you have the capacity to hold for a longer period of time. So I'm just going to extend my chart to this particular point at least. Having good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, this is 1:6. It's not bad. So this is how you just do your crypto analysis. So now you've analyzed the BTC and you've seen that yes, the BTC is bullish. So if you have any other pair you want to trade, for me, these are the major pairs that I actually look out for on when it comes to crypto: BTC, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum is also a good coin. It's very stable. That is why I like it. So I can open the chart as well, and I will start looking for this time around. Since the BTC is bullish, and I've already said from the beginning of this video that BTC always give us what other tells us, give us more information about what other coins should do. As you can see that on the 15 minutes, you can see that the market has been very, very, very bullish. Market has been bullish all the way from this region. You can see the market has been very bullish all the way from this region. It is when it gets to this particular point that we are seeing some sort of consolidation or ranging. So what I want to do is, the market has already given me a confirmation here. You can see market has given me a confirmation around here. What is the confirmation? I have my W pattern in check. So you can see that the market has already given us a kind of confirmation that this pair is going to rise to the upward direction. So I can actually make my entry. From this particular region here. I can actually make my entry from this particular region here. This particular point here, I can make my entry from there. And then my stop loss is just going to be below here. Okay, so I'll have to impute my long arrow, and of course target at least 1:2. So this is 1:5 risk to reward ratio. It is not a bad trade to take. So that is that, guys. The key thing to take from this video is this: when you want to trade crypto, you want to first of all analyze your BTC to check what the BTC is doing overall. Secondly, you want to always trade alongside with the overall trend of the market, because you cannot afford all this little, because there is a thing called the law of price action that says for every impulsive move there is a corresponding corrective move. So you don't want to trade corrective move, you really want to trade the impulsive move. So make sure that you follow this particular rule, analyze your BTC, check what BTC is doing overall. If BTC is bullish, you want to look for a bullish entry on other substitute coins. If BTC is bearish, you want to look for sell entries. Okay, it's just like for those that trade currency pair a lot, you are familiar with the DXY. So DXY is just a guideline that tells you what US dollar is going to be. The US dollar pairs will be doing. So many people start by analyzing the DXY. It's the same thing. You analyze your BTC, you check what the BTC is doing overall, and then you go to the pair you want to trade and bring the information you derive from what BTC is doing, apply it to what the pair you want to trade is doing, and then you are good to go. So guys, I hope you've learned something new and great from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Forget to also join our Telegram channel, because we'll be dropping daily updates and free signals, and you also want to be part of us, because we are all growing together. Nobody is leaving anyone behind. So make sure you join family so that we can all grow together. Peace out, guys.